In this video, our technical analysis for the Bitcoin prices played out exactly as predicted. But the question is, what is next for the Bitcoin price, and are we still going to continue this massive bounce within the daily time frame? Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabbal cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So let's dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So diba kahapon, what we were monitoring was this symmetric triangle, and diba sabi ko sa inyo, symmetric triangle is a 50-50 move, but traditionally it can be a continuation pattern, meaning it will continue the previous movement. So if we came off from a bullish movement, then it's more likely going to continue the bullish movement. But since it's asymmetric triangle, we have to consider both bullish and bearish scenarios, and then we are going to trade this depending kung saan tayo mag-breakout, either a bullish or bearish breakout. And look at this, we saw a candle close above this bullish breakout, so that's why we have opened a long position dito. And congratulations guys if you've opened a long position and has met this target exactly as predicted. But after that, what did happen with the Bitcoin price? So after playing that movement, this is what we saw. We saw a bearish divergence forming. So that is indicating that is a bearish trend reversal indicator. So that's why we saw that movement to the downside. So sinignal ko yan kagabi sa ating Discord and Telegram group. And if gusto nyo sumali sa ating Discord and Telegram group, you can actually find that in the description down below. And then right now, nag-form tayo ngayon actually ng rising wedge. And traditionally, rising wedge is a bearish pattern to the downside. So this is traditionally a bearish pattern. So right now we are forming this rising wedge, and I think we are starting to break down, though wala tayong nakikitang sell volume. So right now we have to monitor if we are going to get sell volume dito. But if wala tayong sell volume, then it's more likely na makakuha tayong support within certain areas. So in this case, ang magiging target natin ngayon for the Bitcoin price would be the 41.4K. Another one would be around the 41.3K. Next target area would be the 41.1K, and then final target would be the 40.9K. So yun yung ating ita-target dito with the Bitcoin price. Technical target would be around the 40.9K, but ito yung mga realistic take profit areas na we can consider is the 41.4K, 41.3K, as well as the 41.1K, which is actually the support areas nito ni Bitcoin price action dito sa ating rising wedge. Take note, yun yung ating monitor if wala tayong makitang sell volume, but if you're going to see sell volume, then we can target 40.9K up until the 41.1K. So that is what I'm currently right now monitoring within the shorter time frame. And then if you're going to look at this in the early time frame, look at this, no signs of a bullish or bearish reversal within the early time frame. So right now I'm not expecting a bullish movement. And if we're going to look at this in the 4-hour time frame, wala din tayong signs of a bullish or bearish reversal. So right now I think the only swing tradable opportunity for the very short term is actually this 15-minute time frame rising wedge. But right now, we are still actually continuing this bullish divergence sa ating bigger time frame, which is itong 4-hour time frame na ayan, no? We are still continuing this declining price while the RSI is increasing. So as of now, we are still continuing this bullish movement. So this could more likely be a pullback nga itong ating Bitcoin price action na yan, and that could be a pullback to the 20 MA in the 4-hour time frame. Kasi if we're going to zoom in, that similar area na sinasabi natin kanina is actually a support area within the 20 MA in the 4-hour time frame. So right now, that is what I'm going to monitor with the Bitcoin price with the very short term. But when it comes to the daily time frame within the bigger time frame, you can see now we are still seeing this bullish divergence in the 4-hour time frame. And this is for the bigger time frame, and this is for the swing traders, or let's say position holder ka. This is actually the indicator na you have to follow. But right now, we are still playing this. If we're going to look at this in the daily time frame, we are still playing this ascending channel within the daily time frame. So right now, we are still continuing this continuation ng bounce na ating Bitcoin price. It's just that for the very short term, we are seeing a potential pullback within the 15-minute time frame. But guys, if you want to trade Bitcoin with the lowest fees possible, you can actually trade the opportunity na sinasabi ko. You can actually short Bitcoin with BuyBIT. And meron tayo actually bonus ongoing with BuyBIT. If you are going to sign up with my sign up link, you can claim of up to $3,000 bonus kay BuyBIT. So if gusto nyo maklaim yung bonus na yun, just sign up with my sign up link. You can find the description down below. Now, let's talk about the altcoin market kasi look at this. Bitcoin dominance is moving sideways pa din. So, that is indicating na kung ano galaw na altcoin market or kung ano galaw na Bitcoin market, ganun pa rin yung galaw na altcoin market natin. So, right now, we are still moving sideways. Let's quickly give you an update with on altcoin. So let's look at this. Di ba kay Ethereum, ang minomonitor natin was this resistance capon. If we are going to break this resistance with buy volume, then of course that is a good long opportunity. And look at that, we saw a very good movement to the upside. But yeah, I think we started forming this bearish movement na meron tayong increasing price while the RSI was increasing. So that is also a bearish divergence. So that's why we saw a movement to the downside. But right now, what's next for the Ethereum price action? So looking at the Ethereum price action, you can see now we can actually see now we are starting to form this similar rising wedge then. So similar with Bitcoin, we are also seeing this rising wedge. Ang pinakang iba lang dito is our target dito, technical target would be the 3,040 US dollars, but we can target certain support areas like the 3,069 US dollars. So right now, that is what I'm currently monitoring, or that is what I'm currently monitoring with the Ethereum price action. Looking at this in the hourly, wala din tayong signs of a bullish or bearish reversal. It's really within the 15-minute time frame ating swing tradable opportunity. But when it comes to the 4-hour time frame, you can see now we are still continuing this bullish divergence within the 4-hour time frame. So for the macro scale talaga, we are looking bullish for the very long term. It's just that for the short term, meron tayong bearish pullback. So right now, the bearish pullback yung ating swing trade for the time being. So that is for the Ethereum price action. And then diving into BNB, we have also met our target exactly as predicted. So kahapon, di ba, nagbigay ako ng update na meron tayong ascending triangle, and that is traditionally a bullish pattern. But since we are in a consolidation, we have to consider both bullish and bearish scenario. And look at this, we break bullish. So in that case, nag-open tayo ng long position dyan, and then met na natin yung target natin, which is around the 429 US dollars. So congratulations if you have traded that. But right now, what is next for the BNB price action? So I think what we can actually look at dito is this. I think we can look at this support right now with the BNB price action. And then, let's try to draw a resistance area. Medyo hindi clear yung resistance dyan, but I think we are starting to form an ascending channel. So for the time being, this is what you can actually monitor with the BNB price action, which is this ascending channel for the time being. But yun nga, congratulations guys if you have traded the latest opportunity na sinabi ko sa inyo kahapon. And on top of that, gusto ko rin pag-usapan quickly itong kay Bitcoin price action na if you're going to plot a Fibonacci retracement from the previous high to the current low, let's try to draw that. Ito, previous high to the lowest low, you can actually see now we are also forming a Fibonacci resistance area kay Bitcoin. So right now, we are also forming a resistance talaga within the 42.2K and a technical support within the 40.8K. So right now, all signs are leading the same thing. So kanina yung sinabi natin resistance, which is the 42.2K, as well as yung target support natin, which is around the 40.9K, is actually pretty confluent with this Fibonacci retracement na nakikita natin with the Bitcoin price. So right now, this is also a good thing to monitor the Fibonacci retracement na pinapakita ko sa inyo, which can also take advantage dito within the support and resistance area. So that is what I'm currently monitoring right now with the Bitcoin price. And guys, if gusto nyo sumali sa ating t-shirt giveaway, you can actually still join. Pipili tayo na winner this May 18. So if hindi pa kayo nakasali, sali lang kayo sa ating t-shirt giveaway. You can actually find this in the description down below. And ito yung sample t-shirt natin. As you can see, that is also provided by BingX. So sali lang kayo guys, hindi pa kayo nakasali sa ating t-shirt giveaway dito sa ating channel. So ay muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.